So you mentioned celiac disease, and the hydrogen-rich water managed to help someone with celiac disease. Do you have any other examples of
Yeah.
gut health issues?
Yeah, I mean, I've worked with a lot of people with also Crohn's disease. I've worked with a lot of people also with autoimmune issues, which is
Mm,
something that I even suffered from.
mm,
And I believe that the autoimmune issues are actually correlated and linked to your gut. So that's
mm,
another big one. In fact,
yeah,
I'm a little surprised how much it's helped people with mental health. And
mm,
I've been realizing the connection between the gut and the mind, the brain and
yeah,
mental health. And there's so much garbage, whether it's, pollution in our food that disrupts the gut microbiome. The highest level of microplastics are in water. That's why I show people how to filter their water, so that they can have clean water, because that's also going to help. And like I said, even a lot of people with IBS, there was actually a woman that I worked with. She had so many issues with her gut. Her doctors, this is kind of weird because they're telling her that she had a twisted intestine where things really were having a hard time getting through. It was causing a lot of pain, and they were recommending surgery for this woman. Totally solved the issue, no surgery needed, so a lot of examples, a
mm.
lot of examples, and a lot of skin ones too. In fact, I just released a video, I believe it was about 3 weeks ago. This particular person had a skin condition that was so severe.
Thanks for watching this video, and you can find the full-length podcast episode here on this channel, or you can head over to Apple Podcast or Spotify, and don't forget to like this video.